Hi everyone, welcome to EssEssBii Education. Today we will solve a very interesting problem. 40 power 80 divided by 80 power 40. We have to simplify it. Before starting my video, please like, share, subscribe. We can solve this question by two methods. The first method, we will start solving it by writing this 40 power 80 divided by 80 can be written as 2 into 40 power 40. So our next step will be 40 power 80 divided by this power is for the both terms, so it will become 2 power 40 powers 40. Now in the next step we will divide this as 1 by 2 power 40, and this has the same base, that is 40 power 80 by 40 power 40. Having the same base, we can write this as 40 power 80 minus 40. This power, if we consider on the numerator, then it will be minus 40. So it will becomes 1 by 2 power 40 times 40 power 40. Now here we have the same powers, 40 and this is 40, so we can write as 40 by 2 whole power 40, 2 1 220. So the final answer is 20 power 40. This is the final and simplified answer of this question using method 1. Now method 2, we can write 40 power 80 by 80 power 40 as this 40 power 80 can be written as 40 power 40 plus 40 and denominator as it is. So we will divide both here, that is 40 power 40 by 80 power 40 and 40 power 40 divided by 80 power 40. We have written as 40 power 40 by 80 power 40 times 40 power 40. Having a same exponents, it can be written as 40 by 80 power 40 and this 40 power 40 as it is, 41 and 42. So now it will be 1 by 2 power 40 times 40 power 40, that is we can write as 40 power 40 by 2 power 40. Having the same exponents, we can write as 40 by 2 power 40, so it will becomes 20 power 40. So we can see that using a second method we have the same answer, 20 power 40, and with the method 1 we have a 20 power 40. You can use any method to solve this question, but I prefer that you can use method 1 because it has a less steps and you will get to the solution very quickly. So thank you for watching my video.